First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 Plus Spigen liquid crystal case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Spigen liquid crystal is a thin case that allows you to showcase the design of the iPhone 14 Plus rather than hide it like other cases. It's not as thin as a skin but is much thinner than most Spigen and OtterBox cases. We always get a chuckle at marketing fluff. Spigen uses the phrase slim and soft to describe the liquid crystal. We can see the slim portion of the liquid crystal but soft? Maybe they mean flexible? The case is quite flexible, which may be an issue for dust and debris. The liquid crystal doesn't show excessive wear tear as there is a slight pattern in the case that breaks up some of the fingerprinting issues. The liquid crystal will wear a bit better than other clear back cases like the Crystal Shell and Ultra Hybrid. For our Spigen liquid crystal review, we've given this iPhone 14 Plus case a score of 3.2 out of 5. It scores better than the Spigen Thin Fit because the edges of the case will keep the screen off a flat surface for the whole screen. If you don't want to cover up the bold color on the back of your new phone but still need the protection of a good case, then Nothing to Hide is a clear variant of our favorite basic case for the iPhone 14 Plus series. It's identical in every way regarding size and design, but it's made of hard plastic rather than the more rubber-like TPU of the basic Gripmunk.